This video I am going to show you how to use your Parent Power School to get into North Dakota Education Portal to take a broader look at your students' transcript, send transcripts, and progress towards the North Dakota Academic and CTE Scholarship. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on our Parent Power School button tab right here. It'll open up to your student and parent sign-in, so go ahead and use the username, password, and log in. Once you get logged in, it'll open up the Power School and you'll be able to take a look at classes and information for what your student is taking right now. Also a bunch of other things that you can check out in Power School along the side here. But we are going to click on this square box with the arrow coming out of the upper right hand side, and we're going to click on North Dakota Education Portal. When that opens up, you're going to have a tab up here with your student's name on it. If you have more than one student in high school, you will have multiple tabs. If you have a student that has graduated, their name will show up as well, but you're going to click on the name of the student you want to take a look at. When you click on their name, a bunch of tabs are going to open up here. We are going to take a look at three of the tabs. We're going to take a look at My Transcript, we're going to Send Transcript, and North Dakota Scholarships. So the first one we're going to look at is the My Transcript, so go ahead and click on My Transcript. When you click on the My Transcript, you'll have a bunch of student information up on top. Scroll down a little ways and you will get into your student's transcript. One of the things I want to point out, these little icons, the blue icon is for career and technical education courses. So if your student has taken a career and technical education course, a blue icon will show up beside the class. The green icons are the North Dakota University System core courses, and those are the classes that the university systems take a look at for admittance into their programs, into their university. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll back up to the top. We are going to click on Send Transcripts. This will mainly be used if you have a student that is a junior or senior getting ready to apply to college, universities, professional schools. You can send your own transcript. So all you're going to do is, in here we have the United States, we have state of North Dakota, click search, and pretty much all of the universities, colleges, two-year schools, professional schools will show up here. If you're a junior and you are applying for early admission and you want to send a transcript, you just have to go to Send Now, click on Send Now, and a transcript will be sent. If you want to wait until after graduation to send it, you can click the Send After Graduation, and that'll send your final transcript to that college, university, two-year school. You can also out-of-state. So if we go to Montana here, search that, majority of the universities, colleges, two-year schools will show up for Montana as well, or any state across the United States. Same thing, if you want to send now, click Send Now. Send After Graduation, just click After Graduation. The last icon we're going to take a look at, tab, we're going to come up here to North Dakota Scholarships. We're going to click on that. So we have two spots here. Open your application. That's used as seniors when they start filling out the application for the North Dakota Career Technical College. The other one that we're going to click on is the View Progress Monitoring. So go ahead and click on that. Under this tab, we have the Scholarship Progress Monitoring. We can look at scholarship requirement status for the North Dakota Academic Scholarship. You have two boxes here, one with the academic scholarship, the other one with the CTE scholarship status. And you can click on details. So we're going to click on CTE scholarship status. And as you can see here, this Easton is off track with his physical education. And you can actually click on the physical education and it'll open up here letting you know that, hey, he had physical education in ninth grade. They suggest to do the same in 10th grade. This one says that he's also off with the coordinated plan of study. And if you were to click on that, it'll list the classes that he has taken in a specific plan of study. He has 2 credits in this plan of study and 2 classes taken, I'm sorry, in this plan of study. And it shows some suggestions when he should have taken and should take his other CTE classes for the coordinated plan of study. If we click on the academic scholarship, the same thing. It'll show up where he's on track and off track. And if you click anywhere on here, it'll show you what your student has taken or what they possibly need to take. Those are the 3 tabs that we're going to look at today. I encourage you to take a look at all of them. I encourage the students starting their second semester of their freshman year to visit this site quite frequently to make sure they stay on top with their grades where they want them to be, their GPA, whether they're on track or off track with the North Dakota Academic and CTE Scholarship if that's what they wish to do. And I encourage you to do the same.